And what is up, guys? Welcome to Crypto Thoughts with Ace Crypto. So jump straight in today with the Bitcoin price. So we've got Bitcoin at $17,244. So we are up over the week, definitely up over the week, as you can see there, the past 7 days. And along with Ethereum, 1,326 today, we are up over the week as well. So as you can see there, USDC and USDT is being delisted from a lot of exchanges at the moment. So that's a little bit worrying. So they were connected to FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried and FTX. That's the worrying part. That's why nobody seems to trust them at the moment. USDC, something's going on with Circle as well, the company behind USDC, but they seem to be more of a reliable choice for a stablecoin at the moment if you are trying to put your money into stablecoins. But I do think the Binance USD is probably going to be the best one at the moment, because Binance seem to be strong as a rock. CZ from Binance seems to be doing the right things for everybody within the crypto market. So let's jump on over to the crypto bubbles real quick. We got FTTs up 36%. I think it's up about 60% over the past 2 days. And we've got Aptos as well, 33%. Let's just move on over to the weekly quickly there. So Aptos, what's going on with Aptos? So it pumped up about 50% in the past 24 hours. You can see there, boom. Why is this happening? To be honest, guys, I'm not entirely sure, but the one thing that does worry me is these supplies. So at the current price of $5.71 per Aptos, the number of tokens equates to 26 million. This represents 0.45 of APT's total supply of 1 billion tokens. However, the circulating supply of Aptos token is only 130 million at the moment, but this is only 3.46% of the grand total supply. So what happens when a lot more of this supply is unlocked? What's going to happen to the price? So this is what worries me a little bit about Aptos. We'll have to wait and see on that one, what's actually going to come about. I'm not a personal investor on Aptos. I do believe that it's going to be a bit risky. It's a bit risky in my own personal opinion. It hasn't been around long enough for me to do the proper research and figure out where Aptos is going in the near future. So, do we click on... Yeah, there we go, Gala. So we've got Gala's up 135% over the week, and we will go into why. Solana's doing God's work as well. Very nice to see Solana doing something. Graph is moving in the right direction, mainly because a lot of the narrative at the moment is AI, since ChatGPT and all those types of things. We've got Quant moving in the right direction as well. What else have we got going on? We've got Ape, we've got Aptos, Near, very good coin there. ETH Work, wow, okay, ETH Work doing work, surprising. So the first thing I want to talk to you guys today about is going to be Elon Musk and X.com. So X.com, the everything app, is coming. This is what he's saying. So let's start off at the beginning, guys. Let's start off at the beginning. So this is Elon Musk and this is Peter Thiel. So Peter Thiel and Elon Musk created PayPal back in 98-99. Basically, their goal was to create something decentralized. They couldn't actually manage this because back in these days, the technology just wasn't there. So at the same time, Elon Musk and Peter Thiel and a few other people created this thing, an online bank called X.com. So X.com has been a bit of a brainchild of Elon Musk for a long time. So basically what happened with X.com is when he sold PayPal, PayPal took the X.com with them. So 2017 comes along, Elon Musk buys X.com back. Doesn't have any plans what to do with it, but since he has acquired, well, we'll go into X.com. X.com was an online bank co-founded by Elon Musk and a few other people. It was an early online bank and deposits were insured by the FDIC. The company was initially funded by Elon Musk and a few other people who later on went to fund his startups, Tesla and SpaceX. Anyway, so basically the idea was to create some form of decentralized banking network. They weren't able to do this, technology wasn't there, but technology is there now. So the interesting thing about all this is, after he's bought Twitter, he sees buying Twitter as an acceleration of the creation of the X Everything app. What does he mean by this? What I think he means by this is the fact that he has so many users under the Twitter banner, essentially, that when he basically unveils this Everything app, he's going to have a number of millions of users jumping straight onto the platform. So X, what does the X in X.com actually mean? Is he going to be using cryptocurrencies? I do believe he will end up using some form of crypto. What's he going to be using? Is it going to be XRP? Is it going to be XLM, stellar lumens, which would make more sense in my own personal opinion, because XLM is more peer-to-peer, you know, whereas XRP is more bank-to-bank, country-to-country, sector-to-sector. So that is why I think it's something similar. He might even create his own cryptocurrency. He might even use Dogecoin. We have no idea. So let me know down in the comments below, guys, what do you think the X in the X.com app means? Let me know down in the comments, guys. Let me know. So let's move on over to the Flare token. So Flare token was airdropped to XRP holders. After 2 years, the Flare price plummets. So Flare token was released a couple of hours ago. We'll just look at the price there. So we've got 4 cents per Flare token. We did start off at roughly about nearly 8 cents, but with a lot of buying, selling pressure, should I say. So when people got given the tokens, roughly here, they dumped. You know, people dump instantly. We've got a few people buying in, we've got another dump, and we've got some bit of a stagnation. But now we've got a bit more people buying in, considering the price and the time. You know, we're at a time where people are awake, people are ready, and people are buying. So what do I see happening with Flare token? We need to get a lot of this price move out of the way first. Everything always pumps on ICO or, you know, initial airdrop. Everything always pumps and drops. So we have to get this initial phase out of the way first, just to see what Flare is going to be worth in the grand scheme of things. The one thing that does worry me about the Flare token is the amount of tokens they have there. So as you can see, there's 11, nearly 12 billion tokens, which is a big ass supply. So let me know down in the comments below. Are you bullish on Flare token, guys? Or did you get airdropped any Flare tokens? Let me know. So moving on to the last thing we got today is going to be Gala. Why is the Gala price rallying? Well, to put it briefly, The Rock. You know, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson basically partnering up with Gala. This is fantastic to see, you know what I mean? The Rock actually believing in the space. So The Rock is someone who does a lot of research into the things that he advertises. So I do believe he's done his research, and a lot of his team have done research and found out that Gala is one of the most reliable metaverse projects out there. It's already got the user base. It's already got the, you know, the systems intact right at the moment. You can jump onto Gala and you can actually use the platform for gaming. Not too sure if the movie system is out yet, or the music systems, I'm not too sure, but anyway, they are definitely going in the right direction. So Gala, bullish on Gala for the long run, guys. Very, very bullish. I think that is roughly all we have for today. We've got the Bitcoin price chart there, as you can see. We're moving in the right direction. We're moving in the right direction overall. We're just gonna have to see if we can break out of this little hump there. Let's jump on over to the 1 minute, see if we can spot anything interesting. Oh, we are breaking some limits. Looking at there, we're definitely going to perform a higher high. We are definitely over this trend line there. So to be honest, we're going to hit the next trend line. What's going to be, what's that, 17,000 something? Yeah, so we're definitely going to be hitting this trend line in the next half of today, I would imagine. Are we going to hit it and come back down? We'll have to wait and see, guys. Ooh, look at that. We just printed a downward candle. That surprises me. I thought we were going to hit this. But there we go, we're probably going to come back down then. So never mind, guys. So not really a lot to be talking about in the industry at the moment. Not a lot is happening with the price. Bear market's not over, guys. We've still got a little bit to go. So thank you very much for joining me today, guys, and we'll see you tomorrow.